Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to easily fix laptop which is hibernating. So the moment you turned on your computer and it says hibernating, it's very annoying, right? So in order to fix that, first is you need to remove the charger plug. Okay? Once done, press and hold power button for 5 seconds. This will release the energy of your computer or laptop, whatever you're using. Okay? After that, you need to press the power key of your laptop to open your computer. Once it is being opened, go to the bottom search bar and type command prompt or simply CMD for short. Here, you need to go run as administrator. From the moment you click that, your user account control will ask you to say yes. Just go with yes. Okay? Here, we need to input a command. Just pause this video to take note of this. Let me just copy this and then control V. Okay. Hyphen H space H space off. Then click enter. Here, you just need to wait when it is done. It will take 5 to 10 minutes. I mean, 3 to 5, depending on your machine. Once it is being done, you just have to simply close this. And this time, we will create a power plan. How? Just simply search for power here, type power, and go for the best match. Edit power plan and click open. Okay. Once this window is open, as you can see here at the top, control panel, all control panel items, power options, edit plan settings. In this manner, we will be going to power options since we will going to create a power plan. Here at the left side, you can see a lot of options. In our case, we'll be going to create a new power plan. Just have to go or edit if you want to the plan name and then simply click on next to create. Here you can change the settings of your power plan. Okay? So those are the steps on how to fix laptop hibernating. Hopefully this video works for you. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button to be updated for more upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day. Take care everyone.